Hey everyone, let's have a look at how you can create tickets in Jira directly from Squadcast. In order to set up, simply click on Settings, go to Extensions. Here you can see Jira Cloud and Jira Server as well. To add a Jira account, simply click on Add Account. Place your Jira API token here, click on Next. Give a name for your Jira account. Now select the team that will have access to this account. You can choose all teams or select specific teams within the Squadcast organization. Once done, click on Update. The next step is to have default configuration settings for your team. To add the configuration, click here, select the team, select the Jira account that you have just set up, the Jira project in which you want to create the tickets, and the issue. Here you can choose whether you want to create the incidents manually or automatically. Now map the status of the Jira issue to the Squadcast incidents. Once done, click on Update. Now based on the configuration, whenever an incident is triggered in Squadcast, you will be able to create tickets in Jira as well. For example, if you have selected automatic mode of creation, whenever an incident is triggered at the activity timeline, you will be able to see that a new ticket has been auto-created in Jira. If you have selected manual mode of creation, to create a Jira ticket for any incident that is triggered, simply click on Actions, select Jira Cloud and click on Create a new ticket. Once you do that, automatically a ticket will be created in Jira, and you can also see that under the activity timeline. Whenever any action is taken on these incidents, for example, acknowledge and resolve, based on the configuration, the same status will automatically be updated in Jira as well, and vice versa.